Bringing the old intro back in 3, 2, 1. What is going on, you guys? Cohen is man YouTube is my game. Today we're back with another video for you guys, and today we're going to be doing a Thanksgiving vlog of the fun long weekend. It should be a pretty dope video. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe, drop a like, and turn on post notifications so that you're notified whenever I make an upload, guys. That would be really lit if you guys did that. Also, check out my channel page because I made a brand new channel art. Also, be sure to comment a question for a future Q&A video I'm making. Yeah, so basically, guys, if you have any questions for me, comment them, and then there's like a really good chance you're going to get into the Q&A video. But anyways, guys, it's really early, and I'm trying to be quiet because some of my family is asleep right now, and we're going to be going to Cleveland. Once I get back from school, I have a half day because I have exams today, but then we have the long 4-day weekend. And if you guys are watching this, happy belated Thanksgiving. Hope you guys are having or had a fun time with your friends and family. But without further ado, I have to go to school.
Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
Good day.
Okay, guys, so I just got back from school, and I need to pack my bag, eat some lunch, and then we're gonna get on the road to Cleveland. Okay, guys, so we're at our cousin's house now. It's about time for bed right now. I'm just gonna watch some hockey on TV and then start winding down for bed. I didn't vlog tonight very much just because we were eating dinner and then just, I was showing them some of my YouTube videos actually, and watching the Red Wings game, and I'm just gonna watch some more hockey and then probably go to sleep. But yeah, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so we should have some cool stuff that we're doing. And I think we're leaving on Sunday, so we have a full couple days here. So, we'll just see what fun stuff ends up happening. I did bring my air horn, so we might get a little air horn prank action in when the fam is not expecting it. But we'll see. See you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow for sure.
Okay, guys, so we're about to play hide and seek in our cousin's house. Everybody's getting ready. How do I have a camera?
Yeah.
Calvin, you're it.
What's your name?
Calvin,
That's Claire. Who are you?
I'm Cohen, and I'm Calvin's cousin, and he's amazing.
Who's your favorite basketball player?
LeBron James.
Okay, show me your shot. Right now. Woo! I'm gonna be it first. I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay, start counting.
1, 2, 3, 29, 30. Ready or not, here I come. This is a pretty big house, so it should be pretty challenging to find people. Where could they be? We're gonna check the basement first. Sorry for the bad lighting. Pretty sure nobody's gonna be hiding down here though. There's not many places to hide. Oh.
Aw,
Found
busted.
Busted. Hi, Claire. Nobody in Uncle Luke's office.
Yeah.
Anybody in the closet?
Yeah.
Okay, so that just leaves the upstairs pretty much.
Nobody in there. Nobody in here.
That's actually not a bad hiding place.
You know
Lucy, why did you give yourself away? We didn't see you.
I know, but you're gonna see what we're doing.
I'm in the washing machine.
Get in, get in.
Are you?
Get in. What's going on, you guys? It's Calvin. I'm back here with another washing machine tutorial today. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to use my washer and... Wait, what? Okay, so that pretty much leaves the upstairs. Walk-in closet. Nobody in here. Nope. Nope. Where is he? No, nobody in the closet. Underneath the bed, maybe? Nope.
I still have a lot of Pokemon cards.
Yeah. Look in here. Oh, nope. Okay, let's check in here. I'm on. I found you. New game, Cohen's gonna be it.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Hiding in a side room of the basement. I'm going in there. lights were off. And if I left them on, I think Cohen would get suspicious. It's really uncomfortable in here.
28, 29, 30. Ready now? Here. Lucy said that she was hiding downstairs. I'm just gonna check here, just in case. Cause she might be tricking me. I don't know. He's not in there. Okay, I'm there. Upstairs next.
I think he just ran upstairs.
I'm actually back. For some reason the phone just went off camera. I have no idea why. It's so dark in here. No, it's in the washing machine. Because that one time I hid there. Maybe in the garage. It's locked. The alarm is probably not in there. I found Lucy and just scared me to death. Nobody scare me if anybody's in here.
He's down here. I'm almost positive he's down here. Here they come.
No, turn back on. He's not in the refrigerator because that stinks. Oh! He's in the refrigerator! That stinks. Oh! He's in the refrigerator! Why?
Oh.
Oh!
I was hiding here.
And it's wet.
Oh, but I won, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Clay was second.
She was second.
Yeah,
I
second.
know.
Where were you hiding?
I was hiding up beneath Grandma, and Colin walked right over to his dad, who's sitting right next to Grandma, asked him a question, and then just left. He didn't even see me. But then I was talking to Grandma, and he saw me from the balcony.
And guess what, people? This Calvin like has a video and like on it, Titus is nerd, and he said, if my calculations are correct,
My calculations are correct.
precisely.
Precisely.
Okay guys, so it's the afternoon before we have Thanksgiving dinner. I'm just about to do an air horn prank on my cousin Colin. He thinks my brother is filming him playing on their keyboard, but I'm going to sneak up behind him and blow the air horn in his ear. So yeah, let's get right into this. I brought my air horn like I told you guys. So now it's just a matter of finding it, and I got it right here. I'm going to blow in his ear. So let's do it.
Okay, ready?
Go. That is so mean.
Oh.
Okay, go. I see it.
Okay guys, so at the end of Thanksgiving Day, I'm heading to bed. Just a really fun day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be vlogging the next couple days, so stay tuned for when I upload those. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Be sure to subscribe, drop a like, comment, a question for the Q&A video, and see you guys next time. God bless, and peace.